गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
काँग्रेसचे आमदार अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सो कोविडवरून बरेच संतप्त बनलेत. सरकारने वेळीच दखल न घेतल्यामुळेच गोंयकार मरताहेत. एकट्या आरोग्य मंत्र्यावर खापर फोडून भागणार नाही तर सगळं सरकार याला जबाबदार आहे असं ते म्हणालेत. याही पुढे जाऊन ते बरंच काही बोललेत. ऐकूयात.
रेडी यस आज हम हास्य प्रेस कहते हैं टू हाईलाइट इश्यूज एंड फेलियर ऑफ दिस गवर्नमेंट. It's not just a blame game, but with facts. I hard target Chief Minister letter brilliantly. And in my letter, this is a press note, in my letter, I highlighted issues, what is happening in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, and be prepared for Goa. I told them on that day, that is 8th of April, enough beds, ventilators, be prepared for oxygen. I told them on the 8th of August. Then I sent them a reminder on the 15th of August. 15th of April, and I told them tourism, because of tourism, please don't allow the virus to come in. I told them the second wave is coming again on this day. I said people are moving without masks. Still they didn't listen. I sent another letter on 16th. I told them, highlighted shortage of oxygen. It is very clear here. I told them COVID is increasing. I told them on 16th of April, I told them about UK variant. In Goa, there were 3-4 variants. It became evident. I told them. I told them about the plasma therapy. Study the pros and the cons. There is something going on there. There is something needs correction. And the last letter I wrote on April 27th. I told them make a RT-PCR test compulsory for entry in Goa. Finally, the High Court had to do it. And I told them that be careful. I told them that Maharashtra, they have created, see, I have highlighted on 27th of April, I told them Maharashtra already did a lockdown. They criticized me. What is the lockdown? Chief Minister criticized Kotala. Today the Prime Minister has said follow the Maharashtra model. Here is the letter and says that start lockdown. And because of lockdown, there is a dip in the cases development. All this I highlighted. I have told them that this is going to happen. And till today, nothing is happening. Till today, Chief Minister is going in the JMC and trying to see how much oxygen is there. After 1 month, he is going to see how much is the oxygen level. 8 days before I told him, let us take a all-party delegation, see what is the oxygen level. I have even told the Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary told me there is enough oxygen. I have told these fellows beds, ventilators are not there. Till today, 1 month later, there are no extra beds, there are no extra ventilators. There are people dying. Look, motta. Look, oxygen alago motta. आज administration मध्ये collapse झाले. चीफ मिनिस्टर भोंवती का एक म्हयनो जालो भोंवता अजून देखून इन्स्टेड ऑफ आज ते सगळे ऑक्सिजन बी करेक्ट करून नेक्स्ट फेजीस जावपा जाल्लें. तुवें प्रायम मिनिस्टराक सांगिलां अजून देखून की बाबा हिंगा ऑक्सिजन ना म्हणून आमकां ऑक्सिजन जाय म्हणून. ओ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द हाय कोर्ट टू इंटरवीन एंड गेट ऑक्सिजन फॉर अस लायक हाउ दे गॉट इन दिल्ली. व्हाट इज हॅपनिंग? पीपल आर डायिंग फ्रॉम 2 to 6. व्हाट इज हॅपनिंग? why are the people dying? ऑक्सिजन ना म्हणून तेंचे बरोबर लोक जे कोण फॅमिली बरोबर ते मेंबरा बरोबर पेशंटा बरोबर आहे ते फॅमिली मेंबर फडफडत आहे ते चोयताय. पीपल आर डायिंग लायक फिशेस. एंड इफ दॅट इज ट्रू, देर इज ब्लड ऑन द हँड्स ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट. द गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर रोगत तेंगे हाताचे आहा. आज आनी तेंका आनी चान्सू ना कितें करपाक. आनी चान्स ना म्हणून आज तेणी नवी गेम स्टार्ट केल्या. हांव लोकांक मागता ती गेमीची उलोवची पयली. एक काम करे, एक ऐकना काय, एक फात्या ना काय, हे नवी गेम स्टार्ट केली न्ही. ब्लेम गेम नवी गेम स्टार्ट केल्या. ती गेमीची वचनी पयली हांव सांगत तुमकां तुमगे घर रावाय भायर सर ना काय. गरज पडल्यारी भायर सराय. ते दुयेंस घरान आपणागे फॅमिली मेंबरा मारला परस उपास रावल्या उदी बरें. इलेशे त्रास काडे 15 दीस सगळे बरें जातलें. देव आहा आमचे बरोबर. आमच्या बरोबर हे नाही, बट देव आहा आमचे बरोबर. We are on the ground. I am on the ground. As Kurtori MLA, I am on the ground. Let somebody tell me I am not on the ground. We are not just criticizing. Actions speak louder than words, I believe. Whatever we can do, I can't do much. I myself am an asthmatic patient. But I'm a family risk and I'm lost there. I'm a full blown case of asthma. But still, I'm on the ground. But I will fight it out. I need to protect my people. It's my duty. And I will not fail in my duty. मुझे duty का हूँ कहना फेलजा बना ये मुझे काम मत मुझे लगा बोले. Any दोतरान thank you, सगळ्यान thank you. Nurses, बारीक staff, helpers, washers, सगळ्यान जे त्रास करताय, helpers and everybody. And I had written press declare करमो as COVID warriors mo. I'm happy they have been declared. Now nurses, pharmaceuticals, pharmacy काम करता है त्यांका, pharmacy wholesale काम करता है त्यांका, they should be also declared as COVID warriors, and they should be given vaccine. Vaccine पासून जायत issues जाता है vaccinaचे. Even we have highlighted issues that vaccine less that other states are already having problems. I highlighted 1 month back. All these issues I have taken precautions. Ada last, mungale, तुम्ही prepare for the next wave. There are beds, there are oxygen beds, there are everything that requires future. And ती टीका vaccine म्हणते. ते टीका vaccine म्हणते BJP टीका vaccine केलाले. बंद करे. Always trying to have stage management. Stop it. And be prepared for the next wave. Protect our people. As long as we protect our people, people will look at us or we are in trouble.
Rajul, what do you like to say about this curfew? Do you think this curfew will bring the number of cases down?
Why are you asking me a question? Prime Minister has already said today itself, follow the Maharashtra model. And our Chief Minister has still not told the Prime Minister we have less oxygen, so that more oxygen can be brought in. For any requirements, whatever their system may be not in order, that's why oxygen is not enough. But whatever it is, we are having less oxygen. So they need to tell the Prime Minister, we can no longer wait for being under the central leadership. We have to take steps.
Regional कोयर रातीक ऑक्सिजन बॉन जावन काल हायेस्ट डेथ रेट जाल्ली आसा. तशेंच
मुगे एकलं कुठतरी एकलं दूर गेलो हा याक जालो.
तशेंच राती ऑक्सिजन इश्यू जालो पेशंटाक ऑक्सिजनूच मेळनाशिल्लें. ऑक्सिजन 2 वरां बंद पडलें मदीं. सो आयज कितले डेथ रेट जाले ते अजून घेवंक ना. वॉट यू
सी ते ऑक्सिजन हुई ते कोणची सिलेंडर घेण्यात आहे. ते कोणची सिलेंडर हुई ते लोड करता आसतना आनी ते काडटा आसतना आनी हे घालता आसतना ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 वर वयते. ही स्ट्रीमलाइन कोण ह्या दिसान कितें स्टेप्स घेवपाक जाताले. सी फोकस इज नॉट देयर ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट. दे आर नॉट बॉदर्ड. I don't want to do any more blame game. They themselves are fighting. Vishwajit, the health minister, has admitted because of oxygen people are dying. He himself has admitted. But not only he, the entire government is responsible for the people dying in that case. It is not he alone. It is the BJP government that is responsible. The Council of Ministers and the ruling side that is in. आज आमगे 10 गेले ते आनी मेय रे. आमगे 10 गेले डेव्हलपमेंट आतां ऑक्सिजन मागूंक पडले बरें तांकां आमकां. ते हुंय ते आनी वेरा दे. I forgot to tell आमगे एकलो सालसिटी राजा आलो. Nobody is available. Nobody can be seen. I'll sweep south. कोण I'll sweep north. कोण आपण sweep सातरी. कोण आपण sweep तिसवाडी. सगळे गेले न्हिदपाक. Finish. God is watching them. I only hope Manohar Parrikar is not calling some fellows.